Good morning, guys. Happy Wednesday. Today is actually Wednesday. I know yesterday I said good morning, y'all, happy Wednesday, and it's a whole Tuesday, girl. I don't know, but today is actually Wednesday, and it's actually a very special Wednesday because today is my 12th year anniversary. I've been married to my husband for 12 years. So it wasn't easy, girl, but we made it through. So yeah, today is our anniversary. So I did want to try to plan like a little romantic dinner. I have to look in there and see what I have. So I'll figure it out. So we'll do something really cute. I have something cute set up for him later. Of course, that's going to be something private and personal. I'm not going to pop on the camera because, you know, we need our private time. So I don't put everything on camera. I just finished my makeup. This is my no makeup look. I just put on some foundation, popped on my lashes, put some mascara on my bottom lashes. A lot of people think that these are fake lashes at the bottom, but they're not. These are my real lashes. I just used some mascara and just create that look. It's really, really easy. I'll show you guys how I do it one of these days when I'm getting ready, probably tomorrow. I started to film myself getting ready this morning, but I was so into listening to CNN and I really wasn't focused. So I'll show you guys on tomorrow's video when I'm getting ready. I just pulled my hair back in a bun. Excuse my little hormonal breakout that I'm having right there. I messed with it a little bit last night. I know I shouldn't have did it, but it was like causing a lot of pain. I put a hot towel on it and it still look terrible, but it's okay. So today is actually my filming day for my mukbang channel, so I'm getting ready to film a mukbang. I am doing some snow crabs, Dungeness crabs, crawfish, corn, potatoes, that kind of thing. I'm gonna do like the whole shebang because I've been really in the mood for crawfish. So that's what I'm doing on today's video. Yes, I always do seafood on my channel. That's what I enjoy. It helps me keep my weight down. I don't like having a lot of, y'all know I don't like doing like a lot of fried foods and different junk food like that. So I just kind of try to play it safe and stick with seafood. So that just, you know, help me stay on top of everything. So especially when I'm working out, because y'all know when I work out, I can keep my weight down and not really have an issue doing mukbangs and stuff like that. So I get like some people every now and then complain like, can you eat something else? No. Can you go run on that treadmill for me? I don't think so. Okay, then leave me alone. I have one nail that is starting to lift, and I've been like trying to decide on whether I want to just try to take them off, but I know once I take them off, when they're really not ready to come off, it leaves your nails super soft and ugly. So I was trying to wait until they lift as much as possible, and then I can just try to do like a gel manicure or whatever. But I don't know, I have to figure it out. I'll probably hang on for another week, and then I'm gonna just have to take them off and then cut them down, file them up, and make them look right. But I still want to get that kit on Amazon, and then I'll just do like, I'm not gonna try to even mess with that acrylic. I'm just not gonna do it. I'm just gonna probably get like the gel set, like the lamp, and then paint my nails and call it a day. Yeah, so I'm in my room watching TV, sitting on my bed, minding my own business. And you know, you get this feeling that somebody's watching you, right? Somebody's watching you. Somebody got their eyes on you. Somebody, and they shouldn't be looking at you that hard. So I'm feeling this pressure, right, on the side of my face, just burning, like somebody's just staring me down. And look. Look at this heifer. Girl, look at this. I look over and see this and almost lost my mind. Yeah, so I'm doing Dungeness crab today, so put those in. Crab legs, put it in. Hey guys, it's Sharika and welcome back to my channel. He was just supposed to do a little snatch and run situation, but instead he wanted to get in the car and take it to a whole different level, like he Tommy and Ghost, and tell her to drive. No, you were supposed to just snatch and run and get out of there. A lot of y'all ask me why I chew the shells. It's a technique to it. Like, if you can't get down in the shell, you can bite it and it'll slide out. So that's why I bite the shell. My real crab eaters, they know what time it is. Okay, y'all, I'm down bad. My nail came off. So this one came off first. It was already lifting. It started lifting yesterday. And so I tried to go ahead and take this one off. And as you guys can see, it wasn't a clean break. So now I have to struggle with that. So I just decided that I'll go ahead and soak my nails in some acetone, but it just takes so long. The last few times that I tried to do it, it took a very long time. So I guess I just got to do what I got to do. But I received a few packages. So this one is from Glittery Royalty Boutique. This is an Amazon package that I ordered. It's a book, so I'll show y'all that. And then this is a package from one of you guys. She wanted to surprise me, but because they were giving her a hard time at the post office, she sent me a screenshot of what she bought just to show me that she wasn't playing. So I thought that was so nice. You did not have to do that, girl, but I am so happy that you did. Y'all know I love receiving gifts, so that was so sweet. So let's open the packages. I love mail. We'll open this one first. This is from Glittery Royalty Boutique. So shout out to you. Is a little bit up. Oh, look how cute the box is, y'all. She put like the rhinestones all around the box. How cute. Let's see what's inside. Oh, this is so cute. So she has a thank you card in here. Really cute lashes. Oh, these are really long. Oh, they're really long lashes. Here's her card. If you guys want to check out her Instagram and her website to check out the different lashes that she has. And she also sells lip gloss. Let's try the shades on, y'all. These are the shades. Oh, these are cute. I really like these. These are so cute. Cute. Then, what else is in here? Ooh, lip glosses. So she sent me the Peach the Goddess, Empire, and Crown Dust. So this is the colors. If y'all could see that. Very nice. Thank you. And then she left me a really nice card, I'm sure. I'm not gonna read it to y'all because it's private. It's a private card. It's for me, not you guys. Oh, thank you so much. So I do have a free promo code if you guys are interested in shopping for some lashes or some lip gloss. You can use the code EatingPretty10 and you'll get 10% off. Okay, next up is this Amazon package. Let me get a knife. I already know what it is because we were just messaging each other back and forth on Instagram. Look, y'all. And it's the exact brand that I love. Oh my gosh, I love these. They're so cute. They're the orange ones. Y'all remember I mentioned that I wanted to get a pair of orange. So these are the orange patent leather, and they are from the exact company that I get my shoes from. I am so excited. They're so cute. Y'all don't be jealous. Don't be jealous. Oh my gosh, these are so adorable. Okay, I know y'all like, girl, we done seen them. Get to them. These are really cute. Thank you. All right, let me show y'all. The book that I bought. This was actually delivered yesterday, but I didn't want to go out and get it. The Iyanla Vanzant book. I've been seeing this book float all around Instagram. All of the influencers that I follow said that this is a must read, so I had to pick up one for myself. This book was about 11 bucks on Amazon. I'll have the link in the description box if you guys are interested and want to check it out for yourself. But I'm really excited about it. It's just a daily meditation for people of color. So I'm excited. I'll probably start this tonight.